Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Guide, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to use safety check on your iPhone. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. In order to use this feature, you'll have to update your iPhone to iOS 16 or latest. To check if your iOS is up to date or not, go to your settings app, then scroll a bit down. After that, tap on general, then tap on software update. And if you see any update or install button on this page, tap on it, and once your iOS is up to date, go to the next step. The next step is to go to your settings app. Once you're on the home page, scroll a bit down. Then you will see this option privacy and security, tap on it. Again scroll a bit down. Then you will see safety check option on this page, tap on it. Now, if your privacy is at risk, to immediately remove access from all the people and apps, tap on this emergency reset option. And if you want to customize which people and app you want to share your information with, then tap on the second option, which is manage sharing and access. If you want to quickly get out from this page, tap on the quick exit button at top right corner. This will save all your progress without leaving any trace. And if you come back, it will continue from the page where you have left. So this is how you use it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.